In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening up code files and selecting those three lines at the top left corner. When you're ready, select Clean at the top and hit Clean under Junk Files. Last but not least, tap on Clear in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!